You don't need to be the desperate stalker that people get restraining orders against. This is the last email I'm gonna send you. And I opened up the thread and it's like, bumping this up to the top. Did you get my last email? It's stupid. It's silly. It's garbage. I get probably 200 emails a day. You know how many people actually call the ME? Almost zero. I don't know what it is. We've lost all confidence. We've lost all credibility. We think we're going to sell a $40,000 marketing engagement with clever email bumping this up to the top. This is the last email that I'm going to send you, Matt. That's what people leave on people's voicemails at 3 o'clock in the morning in the Uber on their way home from the bars. Don't be that person. Pick up the damn phone. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.